Hello, and welcome to WonderKiddo, a YouTube channel created to help children learn through short, fun, and meaningful videos. WonderKiddo focuses on positive kids' stories, learning moments, and values-based content that parents and teachers can trust. If you enjoy educational and uplifting children's content, feel free to subscribe to WonderKiddo as you watch, so you never miss a new video. Rainbow. I am looking for a realistic, step-by-step plan to help a beginner creator work toward reaching 100 subscribers in 5 days, using YouTube Shorts as the main growth tool. This plan should be practical, honest, and easy to understand, especially for motivated creators who are new to YouTube growth. The strategy should be broken down into daily actions from day 1 to day 5. Each day should clearly explain what type of short-form content to post, how many shorts to upload, and how to structure videos to grab attention quickly. The plan should also include guidance on optimizing titles, descriptions, and hashtags, hooking viewers within the first 1 to 3 seconds, and encouraging natural subscriptions without sounding pushy or spammy. Each step should briefly explain why the strategy works, using simple language and clear examples. An important section should explain what to avoid, including common mistakes that stop shorts from getting views, actions that hurt reach or engagement, inconsistent posting habits, and unrealistic expectations that lead to burnout. The plan should also include tips on using trends wisely, staying consistent without burnout, and improving content quickly based on performance and feedback, while thinking long-term. Warning: getting 100 subscribers in 5 days is possible, but not guaranteed. Growth depends on content quality, effort, consistency, and audience response.